Thank you, really media and press representatives for taking time out and coming today. We've already had a virtual press conference done on October 5th, which your senior editors and other representatives were kind to attend. Thank you for coming, my dear journalists, videographers, photographers, everybody. Just as a closing note, I just wanted to thank, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chief guest, Dr. Ranjit Reddy, who is the Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, for taking time out and for supporting the cause of Mr. Nasir Ali Khan. A big thank you to the guest of honor, Mr. Andrew Smith, Minister Commercial, High Commission Canada. You have been always very supportive of FIR's initiatives, and you have always kind of helped us out in our efforts in India. A big thank you. And all this would have not been possible without the efforts of the Canadian Wood and MAK team, my fellow colleague Devendra, Anu. So that's Nesta. So he has been supporting us a lot with all the work at site, construction, the workers and everybody is from him. And he's based out of Hyderabad also. So he could be a future manufacturer for these wooden villas.